Hey everyone, Brandon here with General Housing Corporation. People often wonder how we build a complete custom home indoors. Well, today I'm going to take you on a factory tour to show you just how that process works. Located in Bay City, Michigan, this factory is where engineering and quality craftsmanship come together to build a stronger, smarter home. Let's get started this way. Every GHC home starts with a foundation of excellence, the floors and the walls. A skilled factory team begins by constructing the bones of your home using the highest quality lumber. You'll notice we use these custom jigs. This is key. It allows us to assemble everything with incredible precision, ensuring your home has consistent dimensions and framework that is exceptionally strong and durable. Next up is where we install all the inner workings, like plumbing and tubs or showers. This area is about preparation and access. Because the walls are still open, we can verify that every cavity is ready for utilities exactly according to the blueprint. This level of access ensures that when plumbing and mechanicals are installed, they are placed with a precision that is difficult to achieve on a cramped construction site. Here, the home's structural shell is completed. The ceiling assembly is integrated into the walls, creating a rigid and cohesive structure that is often stronger than typical on-site builds. This is also where electricians begin running wire through the frame, utilizing that factory-controlled access. Our next station is where the factory advantage really shines. We are applying and drying the drywall mud. Because we are indoors, this drying process happens in a stable, climate-controlled environment, meaning no humidity spikes or cold drafts. Now at this station, the interior really starts to take shape. This is a great example of our factory's efficiency. We're committed to drywall sanding at the same time our roofing materials are being installed and electrical work is being completed. This kind of concurrent work is only possible in a precise, climate-controlled factory environment like this, and it saves a huge amount of time on the overall build. Coming up on this station, we're preparing all the custom finishing touches. The base coat of paint goes on, and we install the exterior doors and windows. At this point, the module is usually fully enclosed and weather tight, ready for the custom interior options that you've selected, like cabinets, trim, and fixtures. This is where the home's unique personality really comes to life. They're two different stations, but they're focused on detailed finishes. At one station, your chosen siding option is installed on all possible exterior parts of the structure. Then, at the next station, our skilled craftsmen complete all the interior work. This includes trim, cabinets, light fixtures, setting bathroom vanities, all the details that truly make it your home. Here we are at the final stop. This is where we wrap up the house and get it ready for transportation. We always wrap it in this durable protective layer, and then it's taken off the line and onto a specialized transport carrier. From here, it's securely strapped down, and the exciting delivery process to your property can begin. As you can see, it's a fast, efficient process full of quality controls at every step. We're proud to deliver homes with extensive custom options and enhanced structural integrity, all while consistently beating the timeline of traditional on-site builders. Thanks for taking the tour with me. If you guys want to schedule one in person, feel free to call the office and talk with one of our sales guys.